Hello friends, have a good day. My name is Biddanath Roy Joy. I am a professional and full-time freelancer. I have been freelancing in various online marketplace past 1 year. So I have vast amount of experience in these works. My services: 1. Virtual assistant, data entry, web research data entry in Excel and Google Sheet. 2. B2B, B2C and LinkedIn lead generation anywhere, any topics. 3. Typing work. My typing work 50 plus word per minute. That which I can convert scanning document and image to Word and editable PDF. For proof my work, please see my portfolio. Finally, please send me a message for get my help. Thank you.